You're brushing your teeth when your phone buzzes. Another $237 just landed in your account. For what? A 15-minute AI writing gig you did yesterday while waiting for coffee. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's the new reality of AI copywriting, where beginners are making real money faster than ever before. I should know. Last year I was broke. Today, I make $14,000 a month teaching others how to profit from AI writing tools. Chapter 1, My Humble Beginnings. Let me take you back to my aha moment. It was 2 a.m. I'd just been rejected from my 37th freelance job application. Desperate, I pasted the job description into ChatGPT on a whim. 3 minutes later, I had a perfect sample article. I submitted it as my own work. The client loved it. Paid me $50. That's when everything changed. Within a week, I was making $300 a day writing, website copy for bakeries, product descriptions for e-commerce stores, LinkedIn posts for CEOs, all without any real writing experience. Just me and AI working smarter. Chapter 2, The AI Copywriting Playground. Here's the beautiful truth about 2024. Businesses are drowning in content needs, and they don't care if it's written by you, me, or an AI, as long as it works. Let me introduce you to your new best friends. ChatGPT, your idea generator and first draft machine. Claude AI, for more natural, human-like writing. Jasper, when you need brand-specific tone consistency, but tools alone won't make you money. You need to know where the opportunities hide. Chapter 3, The 5-Minute Money Gigs. Meet Sarah. She started last month offering one simple service. I'll write 10 high-converting Facebook ads using AI. $25 per secret? She doesn't actually write them. Here's her exact process. Client sends product details. She pastes them into ChatGPT with this prompt. Write 10 Facebook ads for product targeting, audience. Use. 2. She pastes them into ChatGPT with this prompt. Write 10 Facebook ads for product targeting audience. 2. Use. Emotional hooks, social proof element, strong CTAs emoji placement. She spends 3 minutes lightly editing, delivers in under an hour. Result? 87 orders in her first 30 days, 2,175 earned in spare time. Chapter 4, Scaling to $100 day. Now let's talk about turning those amounts, 25 gigs, into $100 days. The key? Systemization. Here's how Mark does it. Morning, 15 min. Checks Fiverr, Upwork for new orders, midday, 30 min. Batch creates all content using AI. Evening, 15 min. Sends deliveries and requests reviews. His magic trick? Templates. He's saved. Facebook ad templates, email sequence templates 5, blog post structures. Now he completes in 10 minutes what takes others an hour. More orders, more money, less work. Chapter 5, Adding the Human Touch. Here's where most beginners fail. They send raw AI output and wonder why clients complain. Let me show you the 3-step polish that makes AI writing irresistible. Voice injection. Add one personal opinion or story. As a mom of 3, I was skeptical about this blender. Conversational tweaks. Replace robotic phrases with utilize, use, in order to. 2. Sensory details. AI misses these golden nuggets. The smell of freshly ground coffee beans. This 5-minute edit transforms AI content from May to take my money. Passat 15 Chapter 6, The Global Opportunity. Here's what excites me most. AI copywriting knows no borders. Right now, a bakery in Paris needs menu descriptions. A startup in Dubai wants LinkedIn posts. An e-commerce store in Canada craves product pages, and they're all paying in USD, EUR, or GBP. The tools? The same ones we're discussing. The barrier to entry? Basically zero. My student Raj in India makes $3,000 a month serving clients in 6 countries, all without leaving his apartment. Chapter 7, Your First $100 Challenge. Here's your starter mission. Pick a platform, Fiverr, Upwork, or cold email. Offer one service. 10 AI-written Facebook ads for $25, complete 4 orders. That's your first 100. I'll even give you the exact ChatGPT prompts to use in the description. The only question is, how fast can you hit that $100 mark? 3 days? 24 hours? I've seen students do it before this video ends. Bonus, beyond the basics. When you're ready to level up, here's what's possible. $500 a day. Adding video script writing 10K a month. Selling AI content systems to businesses 20K plus month. Training others like I'm training you. But first, master these fundamentals. Get that first 100, then we'll talk. Your new reality. Look at the time. In these 20 minutes, 3 AI writers earned their first 25, someone landed their first client, a beginner just realized they'll never need a traditional job again. That could be you next. The tools are here. The opportunities are everywhere. All that's missing? You taking that first step. So tell me in the comments, what's your first AI writing service going to be? Facebook ads? Email sequences? Let's make it happen.